Over the years, I've tried a lot of different ways to make coffee outdoors. When I'm backpacking and trying to keep things as light as possible, I always go with instant coffee. But for pretty much everything else, canoe camping, car camping, short weekend trips, I keep coming back to the AeroPress. There are world championships for this thing. People have dialed in grind sizes, bloom times, water temps, some amazing recipes. Just Google AeroPress recipe and you'll see what I mean. This is my go-to recipe for AeroPress coffee when I'm outdoors because it's simple, it's repeatable, and it makes a really good cup of coffee. Here's what I do. First, I put the paper filter in. Some people say to rinse the filter to get rid of the paper taste. I haven't found that it makes any difference at all. Next, put about a scoop of coffee in. I've weighed a scoop of coffee, and it comes in right around 15 grams or so, which is kind of the recommended starting point. I use a grind that's somewhere between drip and French press. But the beauty of the AeroPress is it's very forgiving of technique. Fill it with water just off the boil. I don't measure temperature. If it stopped boiling, it's fine. If it hasn't quite come to a boil, that's fine too. Set the plunger back on top to create a vacuum so water doesn't keep dripping out. Now wait 2 minutes. When you press the AeroPress down, just go nice and steady. Don't need to force it. I like to press it all the way down. Then I top it off with hot water to taste. What you end up with is basically a backcountry Americano. A strong concentrate that you dilute to whatever strength you want. That's actually one of the reasons this method works so well in the field. If your coffee to water ratio is a little off, you can adjust at the end. This recipe is easy to remember, easy to repeat, and it works whether I'm at a trailhead, a hotel room, or sitting at the cabin on a Tuesday morning. There are a lot of ways to make coffee when you're outdoors. And like I said earlier, when I'm backpacking, I'll just throw a few packs of instant coffee in my pack and call it good. But for just about everything else, I go with the AeroPress. These days, I'm mostly interested in finding systems that are easy to use and give me consistently good results. The AeroPress fits that pretty well. After all these years, that's probably the strongest endorsement I can give it. Is it perfect? Probably not. If you have a favorite camp coffee method, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Also, if you're a fan of the AeroPress, I'd like to know that too. And if you're new here, most of the videos on this channel are about backpacking, travel, finding simple systems that work consistently well. Subscribe if that sounds useful. We'll see you in the next video.